Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what is up? It's your girl Nicole, aka Lil NCK, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a DIY pedicure tutorial that you can do in the comfort of your own home. So guys, these are all the things that you're going to be needing for this little pedicure tutorial. You're going to need a fluffy kabuki brush, which looks like this. It doesn't have to be this exact one, just something that's fluffy and smooth to wipe away all the dust. You're going to need cuticle cutters. You can get this from anywhere, Amazon, eBay. I got mine from Superdrug, but this is what you're going to need. Just professional toenail cutters that you can use to clip them hives, okay? You're going to need a nail file. The one that I'm choosing to use is from Macar. This is a 100/180 file, but this is also what you're going to need, or something similar. I also have a smaller file which looks like this. This just helps me get in those little precise areas that my other file can't get to. You're going to need a cuticle pusher and a toenail cleaner slash scraper, whatever you want to call these things. You're going to need this. You're going to need a drill. That's if you've already got nail polish on, but if you don't need this. But you're going to need a drill. I got this from Amazon. I'll link everything down below in the description so you can get that as well if you need to. But yeah, you're going to need a drill, and these are some of the bits that it comes with for you to choose from. What you're also going to need for this tutorial are some cosmetic cotton pads, just something that you can use to put acetone on your feet if you cut yourself, or you know, just if you want to wipe the nails down so that you can see what you're doing, because it can be messy. You're going to need some pure acetone. Again, this is just from Amazon. You're going to need some of this to clean up any mistakes that you may have made on your nails. You're going to need a nail brush to help you clean up those mistakes. This is just from Macar, from when I did a polygel system on my nails, so I'm just going to use this brush so that I can clean up my nails with it. You're also going to need a tiny dampen dish. This is not essential, but I use this again to place the acetone inside so that I can, you know, I can clean up my nails so they look as nice and neat as possible. And last but certainly not least, you're going to need your Madam Glam gel nail polishes. These are all the ones that they sent me. I'm so obsessed. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. This video would not be made if it weren't for you, okay? Shout out to you. These are the colors that they sent me. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. Oh my god, I told them exactly what I wanted and they gave it to me, okay? First of all, they sent me the shade Ballerina. This is a beautiful milky white shade. I love white and milky white toes. I'm absolutely obsessed with it, even for my hands, okay? But don't watch that because my hands look a mess. Anyways, this is the first shade that they sent me. I love that they've got a sample color at the top, so you know exactly what color it is that you're getting, and you know exactly where to find it if it's in your drawer like mine. So yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with this color, and this is the color we're going to be using for today. They also sent me the color XOXO. How gorgeous is this? It's like a beautiful kind of mauvey grey toned chocolate brown. It's so beautiful. It kind of reminds me of Nesquik, you know, that drink that you mix with chocolate powder. Anyways, so edible, so yummy. I'm obsessed with this color. And then last but not least, for the colors, they sent me Coffee Time. This is a beautiful sort of burgundy terracotta type of brown. It's just so beautiful. I don't think the camera's doing this any justice, but these colors are absolutely fabulous. Again, this is perfect for like those winter months, autumn months, transitioning when it's getting a bit colder. I love bright colors for the summer and spring, but I love me some dark colors for autumn and winter. So I'm absolutely obsessed with this, and I can't wait to try it out in another video. If you like this video and you want to see more pedicure videos or even manicure videos, definitely give this video a big thumbs up so I can do that and I can feature many more colors and other stuff like that, okay? Period. They went ahead and sent me their soak off top coat, which looks like this. This is so important because if you don't seal your nails, they will not dry and it'll be a hot ass mess. So love that. They sent me their base coat, which is what you use, you know, before you put on your polish. So again, love that, super important. Guys, they sent me cuticle oil. They sent me cuticle oil. I'm so obsessed with this and so excited. Oh my freaking days. I had been wanting to find cuticle oil for the longest. You can get a lot of it on Amazon, but I really wanted high-end professional quality cuticle oil. So when they sent me this, my heart skipped a beat, okay? It skipped a couple beats, in fact, okay? Period. So they sent me their cuticle oil, which I'm going to be using for the first time today in this video as well. And then last but not least, they sent me a little UV lamp. they sent me a UV lamp. This is the cutest UV lamp I have ever come across in my life. It's so small and so dainty, so it's perfect to travel with. If you're someone who travels a lot and likes changing your nail colors for every other week, every other month, this is perfect for you. It's really small. Legs extend out like this, and then you literally just place it down like this, so you get super precise precision nails. If you're doing polygel, it's easy to hold the nails in place as well. This is the cutest thing ever. So these are all the products that they sent me. Again, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Now let's get right into the video. Okay, so first thing is first, we need to prep this toe. Okay, no judgments. Since I started working, I haven't had time to just sit and pamper myself, you guys. I haven't had time, so no judgments, okay? Thank you. But as you can see, the nail polish has completely chipped off. The nail polish has kind of changed color. I don't know if it's just my feet, but I feel like every time I get white nail polish, they change so fast because of my shoes. So I need to look into that because that is just not cute. These are what my toes look like. So they're chipped, they're cracked. The nail polish is basically like half on, half off at this point, and we need some help, okay, period. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my drill. Again, I got this from Amazon, you can get this anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and take my drill, and I'm just gonna buff away any of that old nail polish so we can prep the nails and we can move on to the next step. The drill bit that I'm using is the rough one. This is just the one that I prefer and like the most, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. There are other bits for different types of effects and whatnot, but for the one we're going to use right now is this one. It's kind of like sandpaper, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to fast forward this bit and then I'll be with you when we're done. Okay, so now that we have drilled our toes and all of that polish is off, I'm gonna go ahead and take my mini kabuki brush and I'm just gonna dust away any of the dust that is on my toes. I'm gonna go ahead and take my acetone and I'm just gonna place this on a cotton pad just like so. You don't need too much, you really don't. And I'm just gonna use this and I'm just gonna pat it on my nails because again, I just like to be able to see what I'm doing so that I don't cut too much, I don't scrape too much, and you know, it's just important to like see what you do. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my cuticle pusher slash my cuticle scraper and I'm going to do exactly what this is meant to do. I'm just going to use this again to just scrape up any dead skin that is on my nails. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see it because the camera angle is a bit weird, but this is the best I can do, y'all, in the space that I'm in, so please bear with me. Okay, so now that I have scraped my toes with my cuticle, this bit here, I'm now going to flip it over to this side and I'm just going to use this to scrape underneath my toes to get rid of any dirt, any excess skin or any buildup or sweat or anything under there so that my nails can be as light and fluffy and they just feel amazing. Next, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take my toenail clipper. I got this from Superdrug. It just looks like this. It's got like a really sharp point and the bottom of it is flat, so it helps you get a precise cut. It's so good. And I'm going to use this to just cut my toenails and just shape them how I want. Now I'm going to take my nail files. I'm going to start off with my 100/180 bit and I'm just going to file my toenails so that they're nice and straight. I love a straight toe. Now I'm going to take my smaller file like this And I'm just going to use this to just get the sides, because I find the other nail file is a bit too big to get in there. So I'm just going to file the sides so that it's nice and precise and crisp. So now that we have prepped our feet, it is now time to move on to the next step. As you can see, everything is clean, everything is crisp, everything is just looking right. I'm going to go ahead and apply my base coat by Madam Glam. It just looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and apply this, and then using my Madam Glam, so cute, little lamp, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds so that we can move on to the next step. So once you've cured your toes, it should look something like this. Now you want to go ahead and apply the colour of your choice. I am going to use the shade Ballerina by Madam Glam, and I'm just going to do a thin coat, I repeat, a thin coat on top of this, just so that my toes can look really nice. You don't want to apply too much, because that's when it's going to start looking bubbly and just really thick. So yeah, thin coat, cure it again, apply another thin coat, cure it again, and then we'll do our top coat. Now this is where these are going to come into play. If you've made any mistakes like I have, or you've just kind of gone outside the lines a little bit, that is okay. You want to take your acetone and you want to dip it in your dampened dish, or you can just place it in any type of bowl that you have. You just want to be able to place it somewhere. And then taking my brush, I'm just going to first of all make sure that it's clean, because you don't want to add product to what you've already got. And I'm just going to use this brush to just clean up any of those mistakes, just going around the edges. And I keep a cotton round next to me so I can use that to clean my brush. So now that I've cleaned up everything, I'm going to go ahead and place it under the lamp again, and then just repeat the same step. Okay, so now that we have done that, we're happy with it, we've cleaned it up, we now need to go ahead and apply our top coat. This is the top coat that I'm going to be using. Again, it's by Madam Glam. I'm just going to go ahead and just put this on top of all the nails to seal it, because we do want to seal it, and then we're going to cure it under our lamp once we are done. And then taking my nail file once again, because I'm a bit of a perfectionist, I'm just going to redefine those edges. So I'm just going to kind of go again on the sides, just to again help clean up any mess that was there. And if after I've tapped it, it sounds quite hard, then I know that it is dry. There is a slight sticky tacky layer on top of my nail, so I'm going to go ahead and take a cotton round with some acetone, and I'm just going to clean on top of it and really just get around the nail so I can clean my nail and I can get rid of that sticky tacky layer that no one wants. Just like so. Oh, these look so much better than they did when we started, right? To finish everything off, I'm going to go ahead and take my Madam Glam Blossom Cuticle Oil. I'm so excited to use this. Oh my friggin' days. First of all, this stuff smells amazing. It smells so good. It's unbelievable. I'm going to take the smallest amount and just place it on top of my toes, just like that, to encourage growth and to keep it shiny and moisturized. And I'm going to use my thumb and I'm just going to rub around my foot like so. And there you have it, you guys. This is the final look. Just beautiful, supple, shiny, manicured looking feet. They look so much better than they did when we started off. These just look so good. I'm absolutely obsessed, and the results came out perfect, and it was super easy to do from the comfort of your own home. Once again, a massive thank you to Madam Glam for collaborating with me in this video. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I've mentioned, the links and the names to everything will be linked down below, including the discount code, so you can get some money off when you purchase from this company. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!